Hey viewers, today we are going to discuss how to work on some graphics, and some any kind of stuffs. So for that one, I am going to create a Python class. Let's graphic anime Python class, and here from turtle turtle module import. I'm going to take turtle. Okay, so turtle is the module. Look, turtle is the graphic is a popular way of introducing programming kit. So turtle graphics. Turtle is a module where all the graphical works we are going to do that one. Okay, and in this turtle module we are having two classes. One is turtle class, that is all the movements of stuffs contain all the functions inside the turtle class is there. And how can you see that movements? So then I'm going to import a screen. So it's going to have another screen, dedicated screen for doing all kinds of movements and graphical works. So as the creating a JD TU or turtle. So for this turtle class, I created a object, and similarly for the screen, I am going to create an object JD screen and screen. Okay, so I created two objects for the turtle and for the screen. Okay, now I am going to call shape. So edge the module is turtle. So let's call the shape TU or TL total. So I call a total shape. Okay, now on that one I'm going to define what is the color. Okay, so what is the color of the total? So I am giving two kinds of stuff. One is outer stuff, one is inner stuff. Okay, so color, for the color we already have some predefined graphics for total, particularly having some predefined graphics there. Okay, and these are the colors, uh, graphic colors. So from here I'm going to decide which color I have to give. Okay, let's give the outer color is uh, can. Okay, so let's give, sorry. Okay, let's give it is can. And what is the inner color? mm, Deep pink. So you never seen a pink turtle, right? Okay, so let's take deep and pink, pink. Okay, now uh, shape size. Okay, this is an interesting one. Shape size means here, look, let's cursor over here and look here. What is the width of the turtle? What is the length of the turtle? And what is the outline of the turtle? So here, width of the turtle maybe let it 5 pixel, then length 5 pixel, and outer line maybe 8 pixel. Got it? Okay, so this is done. Now I want to move the turtle forward or backward. So for that one I am going to create a for loop, other for loop for I in the range. So let it be 10 times. Okay, now I want to move forward. So forward, each move how many pixels? Let it be 20 pixels. So each time it is moving for 20 pixel. Okay, so and if give 20 pixel, then it is going completely forward. You can't see that one. When I open that screen, it is already moved to 200 pixel forward, right? 20 pixel forward, 20 pixel for 10 times, so 200. So let make it pause, so I can see that movement. So time dot slip, look, import time is coming here. Okay, here time is coming. Okay, so how can I see the turtle is moving? So for that one I have a screen class, right? Already created, sorry, I already created screen. So here JD screen dot canva height. So that is the canvas, that is the screen on which I am going to see that one. So how can I see that one? So for that one I need to print. So that one, for that I want to print that one. Okay, now, so once it is moved, I'm getting out of the screen. So for that one, so jd screen dot exit on click. When I'm going to click that one, the screen is going to be the from where automatically it is going to close. Okay, okay, save this one and let's run the script. Okay, so look, it is moving, right? Okay. Okay, now I'm going to click anywhere screen. Okay, so make it red. Click. Let's run again. Yes, look, red color turtle. Have you seen that one? No, right? So this is the enemy or graphics. I hope you like this small tutorial. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.